Check this out. These were a wedding gift 52 years ago. They've never seen a pro sharpener. And they've been scarred by a magic chef. In this video, we're going to reprofile and we're going to erase half a century of love and abuse. And of course, we're taking these to the razor zone. All right, let's get to work. Started with one of the more challenging ones. Most of the knives in the Chicago Cutlery set have a bit of a recurve on them, including this knife right here. If you're like me and you own a Tormek, then you more than likely have a wheel with square edges. And that can be problematic. Is it possible to sharpen one of these on one of those? Sure, you can do it. I've done it. But is it gonna look perfect? You can get close, but you're definitely not gonna be perfect. So I'm about to show you something that changes the game on recurve blades. Check this out. This type of wheel has a sharp, straight edge. Hopefully, this is a game changer. We're gonna find out together. This is gonna be a win or fail. One other big difference between these wheels is size. This is 10 inches, this is 8 inches. Will it even work on the Tormek T8? We're about to find out. A Coil with some Droop here. We need to take care of that first. All right, I think we're done getting ahead of ourselves. I got my tape on here. That's my Coil line. One issue I noticed is down here. So right here, we're grinding at 17 degrees. But as we come down, you notice the contact moves backwards. Hopefully you can see behind the wheel. All the way to the tip. That very well may be 25 to 30 degrees down there. When I look at the grind pattern, I'm barely touching it. So, workaround. I can't put lasers on my wheels when I'm filming, but I'm going to memorize this contact line. And luckily I have a landmark I can use. And we're going to pivot to here. That's the max I can reach. But right here is a lot lower than down here. Go ahead and try that again. I just remembered I have this pivot collar. That's perfect for this situation. So I went ahead and span the camera out a little bit. So anybody new to this can get a bird's eye view. I'm impressed. I'm happy. That is a beautiful looking bevel. Well, we've got a big old nasty burr we got to get rid of. So we're going to jump over here to the Flint hard felt with 6 micron diamond emulsion. Let's do it. Ooh, 95, I'll take it. Stick around a couple more minutes, a minute. See the after photos. But first, I've always wanted to try this. Oh, look at that. Technically my second try. I had to reshoot this scene because I forgot to tell you to stick around till the end to see the photos at the beginning. Well, I am happy. 95, definitely not my personal record, but you know what? We did 2 things tonight we have never done before. We sharpened a recurve on the radius CBN wheel, 600 grit. Went really well. Oh, I got to try out the new Flint hard felt wheel with 6 micron. And then we did our final cleanup on the 3 micron diamond. And this thing came out sharper than it's been in half a century. Imagine that. Well, guys, too much fun. That's it for tonight. I'm going to work on this handle tomorrow. Enjoy these photos. I'll see you next time.